Yo, what's up, boys? Welcome back to the video. In this video, we'll be doing more live trading because you guys wanted it, you guys liked it. So I just found a trade in the markets that I want to share with you guys, a trade that I'm taking right now. So right now we are using obviously EliteAlgo as our main strategy, but over here we can also see that we are using EliteAlgo, and this is the strategy that we're using right now. We are using the order block strategy that I made a video about, which I'll link in the description. But basically it's very easy. You want to wait for a demand or supply level to print off with EliteAlgo, and then wait for the price to go back and retest that price and then give us a signal. So we can see that we had a big order block right here. The price went back up, came back down to retest this order block and gave us multiple buy signals around this area. And now we got into this one trade right here because this is the one that I actually was able to spot when I was paying attention to the markets. So we got in this buy signal right here, and as we can see, we're currently up $48 on this position right here, where you're trading 8 lots on a $100,000 account. This is the same account that I traded last couple of days ago, where I made this trade on USD JPY, which made me $5,000. And right now what we're going to do is we are going to simply just wait for this and see if it hits our take profit or if it's a bad trade and hits our stop loss. So I'll keep you guys updated. Right now I'm going to go hit the gym, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, I just got back from the gym and this trade seems to be moving pretty well. Let's check this out right here. This is what we're looking like. So it's pretty much halfway up our take profit level, as we can see. But what we want to do here, because this seems to be at a very strong resistance right over here, guys, we can see there's a lot of resistance right here. So what I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to take partial profits, and then I'm going to move my stop loss to break even here. So right now we're up $1,200. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to close half the position. So since I'm trading 4 lots, I'm going to close 4 lots. So we'll close this. That's still going to leave me with half the position open. And then what we do here is I'm going to change the stop loss for this trade to break even. So the break even level would be 0.66640. So there we go. And then to take profit, guys, what we're going to do is we're actually going to target the next order block right up there. So we're going to target 0.67200. So 0.67200. And then we're going to modify that. And that's pretty much it, guys. Now we have a running trade going, and we made an easy $600 right there on a quick scalp in the market, trading right before I went to the gym, and now I'm back. And for the ones that are wondering, this is what the next targets look like. So right here, this is our take profit. We want to have the price hit up here, and our stop loss, we brought it to break even. So we cannot lose money on this trade no matter what, guys. We're automatically up $600 on this trade, which is really good, obviously. All right, so we got an update for that trade now. Let's check it out right here. So this is what it looks like. As we can see, what we did is we raised our stop loss again a little more, and I took a little bit of profit because I was just feeling good about it. And then now what we see is the price is starting to have a little bit of resistance over here. We have 3 candles that have failed to break this level. So honestly, right now I'm up almost $1,800 on this account. I'm pretty happy with the gain. That's a gain of over 2.5% on this one trade. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this trade account. Boom, we finally closed. And if we look at the history right here, guys, we can see that we made a very good $2,350 on this trade right here on AUD USD. So tomorrow morning, I'm gonna wake up in the morning around 8 o'clock in the morning and try to find more trading opportunities in the market. If I don't find any trading opportunities by 12 o'clock, I'm gonna stop trading because I don't like trading after 12 on Fridays. I find that the volume starts to fizzle down and I don't like holding trades over the weekend. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do that. And if I don't find any trades, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into more detail about the strategy I'm using in this video and the strategy I've been using in my other videos, so you guys can kind of get the idea of my strategy, how I use EliteAlgo, and you guys can implement it for yourselves as well. And remember, guys, if you haven't joined our Discord yet, make sure you join our Discord. This is the best group for trading in general for Forex, crypto, and stocks. And we have members sharing advice every single day, and we also give signals every single day. This is one of our members right here who passed his funded challenge and started making money right away using this strategy right here. The same strategy I'm using for my trades. All right, guys, let's talk about the strategy I use, exactly what I'm doing, what I'm looking for when I'm trading, when I'm using the strategy that I just used for the trade I just took that made me over $2,000, guys. So let's take a look at it. So again, The only indicator we're using for this is EliteAlgo. As for the settings, because I know you guys are going to ask me for settings, they're not super important. Only a couple things that have actually are really important for this specific strategy. So sensitivity, I know you guys can ask me about it. I like using anywhere between a 15 to a 20 sensitivity. That's what I like using for my trading, guys. Under signal logic, this is only going to be out in about a month from now. So you guys don't actually have access to signal logic. It's not released yet. It's just a beta thing, right? So what you're gonna have is just a regular normal mode. Again, sensitivity is gonna stay the same. It's gonna stay between 15 and 20. Okay. It's gonna be the same exact strategy, even though you're not currently under scalp mode. Same thing, guys. It's not a big difference, I promise you. Okay. And then over here, you're gonna have agility, autopilot, candle culling turned on with gradient. And then over here, you're also gonna see ranging filter. This we're gonna leave it off, but you guys won't have access to this yet because it's gonna come out a month after I make this video. And then over here, turn on the Echo Cloud, Trend Sniper, Show Dashboard. And the big thing here for the strategy is the order blocks. So we're going to turn on the order blocks as well. And sensitivity, we're going to keep at default, which is 20. Then we're going to press OK. So what we're looking for the strategy is very simple, guys. What we're looking for is we're looking for an order block to form. So either a supply or demand level. And then we want the price to retest that order block. And then we want to have a signal come up, but we also want the signal to be aligned with the trend sniper. The trend sniper should be green here. Okay. So for example, right here, we had the order block that was filled in this area. The price came back down to touch this order block, and we got several buy signals around this area. But the one buy signal that actually was good would have been this one right here. So because this buy signal did not touch this order block for the strategy. And then for this one, we could have taken this trade as well. We just would have seen a little bit of drawdown, which is not a big deal. But this one is the one we end up taking. So we want to do here, again, just make sure the trend sniper line is green and the price came back down to retest this order block. We can see that it's working for many other signals as well. So for example, right over here, guys, we had an order block that was printed. The price went back up and retraced into it. We saw a rejection off this order block, and then we had a sell signal with a red trend sniper line. This is telling us, guys, that we could take that trade as well. And this would have been a nice trade to take, would have given us a pretty good risk reward ratio. So for example, we would enter it around here, stop loss slightly above the swing high, and we can risk either a 1 or 1.5, something like this. Eventually, you would have hit the complete bottom if you stayed in a trade a long time and would have had a nice 3 risk reward ratio. That's pretty good, but this would have been a very good trade as well to take right over here, guys, at a 1.4 risk reward ratio. So that's pretty much how the strategy works. It's very simple again. And that's pretty much it, guys, for the strategy. I made a more detailed video, so go ahead and check it out, guys. Go on our channel, watch our videos. You're going to understand exactly how I'm trading, the strategies I'm using, and it's really going to help your trading as well if you're using EliteAlgo. And if you don't have access to EliteAlgo, guys, you're not going to find it in the indicators on TradingView because it is private. So in order for you to get access to EliteAlgo, you have to go on our website and sign up for access. Let me show you guys exactly how you guys can do that. So it's very simple. Just go to our website right here, elitesignals.com, and simply just pick any of these memberships right here at the bottom. We have the monthly, the quarterly, and the lifetime membership. So this is for every single month, $6, $7. You get a small discount if you pay for it every 3 months. And if you want to get it completely in one shot, pay for it once and never again, this is the price, $7.95. Now, because you guys are watching this video, you guys can use discount code NIFTY50, NIFTY50 for 50% off the quarterly or the lifetime memberships, guys, or code 20 off, so 20OFF for the monthly membership. Now I'll give you 20% off the monthly membership. So if you guys like this video, hit that subscribe button and always like this video. And if you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments down below and I'll answer every single one of them. Have yourself a good day.